Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure preferred item slots in Fortnite. And to do this, we'll need to click on the three lines in the top left corner of our screen, then click on the gear icon and open the settings. Here click on the same gear icon on top, and now you can find preferred item slots, configure. You'll be able to change preferred item slots on and off, loadout slot for many different options like weapons, loadout slot number 2 for also the same weapons, and loadout slot number 3 for the same thing for number 4, and probably the same thing for number 5. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.